Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be explaining this question. Can you figure it out? Now the time is 1:20. What is the degree on the clock if you drew it? So first, before we start, I would appreciate it if you subscribe for more videos just like this for free. But share to a friend so they can understand how to do this, especially if it comes up in your 11 plus maths paper. So, let's get started. So, we have to find the degree on the clock. How do we do that? Well, there are 360 degrees on a clock, and that's a whole circle like that. So if we do 360 divided by 12, because 12 is over here, and that's how many altogether. 360 divided by 12 is equal to 30, which means that here to here is 30 degrees, and that is 5 minutes. So, if we put this in a ratio form, 5 minutes is 30 degrees. How much is 1 minute? So, how do we do this? Well, 1 minute is only one of these tiny ones. Since we know 5 minutes is 30 degrees, then 1 minute is going to be 30 divided by 5, which is 6. So, one of these is 6 degrees. So now we know one of it is 6 degrees. We can find out how much is from 120 over here. But we're not going to do it from here, because if you see, the clock's in the middle as it's already 120. So we have to start from this bit to here. Let's draw that out. So here to here. Let's start. So we have to count each of the tiny bits because they're 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 over here. 15 times 6 is equal to 90. So the answer is 90 degrees. I hope you enjoyed watching the videos. If you like this, don't forget to leave a like. And thank you for watching. I'm very grateful. So the next question is, the sum of the first 4 cube numbers is 100. What is the sum of the first 5 cube numbers? Okay, wait! I have a secret. Did you know that in the 11 plus, you have to answer 60 questions in 50 minutes? That's not a lot of time for 60 questions. So you can keep practicing by using my YouTube channel. If you comment down below what topic you want us to use, then we will answer it straight away. Now, back to the question. So, how do we do this? First, it's cube number. Cube number is like this with the 3 on top. That doesn't mean 1 times 3. It means 1 times 1 times 1. It's 1 times itself 3 times. So now we know what that is. We can go back to the question. So, what is the sum of the first 5 cube numbers? Now, to do this, we have to do the first 5 cube numbers and work it out. 1 cube, 2 cube, and 3 cube, 4 cube, and 5 cube. So first, we're going to do 4 cube and then 5 cube. So, 1 cube is 1 times 1 times 1. 2 cube is 2 times 2 times 2. 3 cube is 3 times 3 times 3. 4 cubed is 4 times 4 times 4. 5 cubed is 5 times 5 times 5. So now we know we have to solve those to get 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, and 5 cube. We can do it. So now 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. 4 times 4 times 4 is 64. 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. Now we have to add all of these numbers together to get the sum of the first 5 cube numbers. Now, the 11 plus is a non-calculator, so we have to do this method non-calculator. So, we're doing it the non-calculator way. So, we're going to add these numbers all together, and we're going to get 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 27, which is 36, and 36 plus 64 is 100, and 100 plus 125 is 225. So the answer to this question is 225. Thank you for watching, and I hope you have a good day. And don't forget to subscribe if you want to for more videos like this. Bye bye.